Once again, I welcome you on my YouTube channel. I am Siddharth Bhatia, your biology and chemistry teacher. Today I am taking chemistry hybridization. Hybridization, how to calculate, hybridization from the formula. बहुत simple है formula से structure, structure has been given to you and you have to calculate hybridization from the structure. Let's take first example, SO3. The structure of SO3 is like this. S is connected with double bond oxygen and double bond oxygen. So first of all, look at the formula. If we have to count the hybridization, we just have to count the sigma bond. How many sigma bonds are there? So we have to count sigma bond and sigma bond and lone pair. Sigma bond and lone pair we have to count only. Okay. We just need to count sigma bond and lone pair only. That is it. And if you like my channel, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and share with your friends. So in this case, if you know double bond. In double bond, one is sigma and one is pi. In double bond, one is sigma, one in pi. So we have to calculate only sigma bonds only. Okay. So in this case, we have three sigma bonds. Yes or no? One sigma bond is here. One sigma bond is here. One sigma bond is here. Rest is pi. So we don't have to look at pi bonds. We have to just look at sigma bonds, only sigma bonds. Okay. So in this case, in SO3 we have three sigma bonds, and three sigma bonds gives us sp2 hybridization. Okay. Three sigma bonds means sp2 hybridization. Let's take one more example. The structure of H2 is this is oxygen, and there are two hydrogen. Okay. So this is sigma bond. I just told you, if there is one single bond, that means it is a sigma bond. So this is sigma bond, this is sigma bond, this is lone pair and this is lone pair. So two sigma bond and two lone pair gives 4. Two sigma bond, two lone pair gives 4, and according to 4, sp3. sp3, 1 from S, 3 from P, total 4 sp3. Got it? Please subscribe my channel. NH3, the structure of NH3 is N, 3 hydrogen, and NH3 on N there is one lone pair. Okay. So how many sigma bond? This is sigma bond, this is sigma bond, this is sigma bond. 3 sigma bond, 1 lone pair gives 4, 3 plus 1 4, and the hybridization is sp3. If there is 4 number, then hybridization is sp3. 1 is 1 from S, 3 from P. Let's take one more example, PCl5. P, central metal atom is P, 5 chlorine are attached to it with sigma bond. Okay. Sigma, 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 sigma. There is no role of pi bond in hybridization. So don't worry about pi bond. So 5 sigma bonds, 0 lone pair gives 5, and according to 5, sp3 dehybridization. Let's take one more example, example number 5. Sulfur in SO4 2 minus. SO4 2 minus. Okay. So sulfur is connected with 4 oxygen, 1 oxygen with double bond, second oxygen is also with double bond, O negative and one more O negative, because we have got 2 negative. So how many sigma bonds? 1 sigma bond is here, second sigma bond is here, third sigma bond is here, 4 sigma bond is here, 4 sigma bond, and as you can see, there is no lone pair. So 4 sigma bond, 0 lone pair. Again you will get sp3 hybridization. Let's take one more example. SF4. This is S. This is sulfur. There are 4 fluorines. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 lone pair. So 4 sigma bond. This is sigma bond. This is sigma bond. This is sigma bond. This is sigma bond. If there is a single bond, that means it is a sigma bond. So 4 sigma bond, 1 lone pair, 4 sigma bond plus 1 lone pair gives you 5, and according to 5, sp3d. So it was very easy to calculate hybridization if formula is given. Formula and structure is given. Okay, with the help of formula and structure, if the structure is given, you can count the hybridization. In my next video, I will tell you if only if structure is not given, with the help of formula, how would you get hybridization. Till then, thank you. Please and keep watching my channel and like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.